If your child is struggling to understand a particular concept, it's probably not because learning is hard. It is because we are teaching them the wrong thing at the wrong time. And this is what we intend to change with Playthinkers. So at Playthinkers, when we design learning for children, we use a very simple framework. We call it right skill, right time, right challenge. Number one, right skill. What children really need to learn. So if you focus only on the subjects they are being taught at the school, you might be missing what is it that actually helps children learn. The skills that the kids are developing early on are logic, number sense, spatial awareness, focus, language and expression. So to give you an example here, a child who understands quantity and patterns might actually learn math faster later on, even without memorizing any formula. When you choose the right skill first, learning becomes easier later on. Number two, right time. Why earlier isn't always better. Now, just because a child can learn something doesn't mean they should. Learning works the best when the child is developmentally ready for it. For example, a 7-year-old does not need to understand statistics. What they need at that time is basic arithmetic and a bit of pattern observation and logical thinking. So, earlier isn't always better, readier is better. So, when the timing is right, learning feels like an easy thing and not something which is very challenging for the kids. And number three, right challenge. How children should feel when they are doing something. Some activities tend to be very easy and the kids end up getting bored. On the other hand, some activities are so difficult that children get frustrated. And this is where we need to find the right mix. The right challenge feels easy to begin with, builds on gradually, and allows the children the time to think and reflect on it. So the goal here isn't speed or perfection, it is getting them to stretch their thinking but without losing their confidence. So just to reiterate, right skill, right time, and right challenge. This is how we approach learning at Playthinkers. Now, if you are aligned with our vision, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.